Yeah.
I'm gonna kiss you in the mouth.
Okay. Right?
Got it. Got it.
LA rocks. Thank you. Thank you very much.
No.
Oh. Thank you. See that? Told you, Mom!
If you catch any hot girls, let me know, because I want to kiss too, man.
Yeah, well, hopefully I don't catch anything from hot girls. Hi, hello.
Hi.
Holy crap!
Oh,
Thank you very much. Thank you. Oh, on this side too?
Yeah, I'll kiss you in the
Double.
mouth.
Oh, yeah! Mwah. Thank you.
2, 3. I love your eyes.
Oh, thank you. Really?
Not in the place that you want.
That's fine.
Mwah.
What? What do you mean?
Maybe you want it on the lips, though.
Okay, well, I'll take what I can get. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thanks. I try. Look at that. That's not something that happens every day. It should. Thank you very much. Excellent. Want to take a picture of it? Oh, come on, Mom. I think you may have missed it again. We may have to do it like 8 more times. Mwah. Mwah. Thank you. Mwah. Thank you. Thank you. I appreciate it.
Desperate. Okay.
Thank you. Thank you.
Oh, kiss me, I'm desperate. Okay.
Oh. Thank you.
You're welcome.
I'm out. I'll commit to this joke. I will walk all the way down the pier if I have to. Thank you. Was it really that bad? Where are you guys from?
Australia.
Australia? What was your name?
Courtney.
Courtney? Well, you're very beautiful, Courtney, so thank you very much. Have a good day. No, come on, Alyssa. Alyssa. Alyssa! Are you sure? Are you sure? Oh no, she's, oh, what? Thank you guys, thank you.
that just worked.
That just worked perfectly. I am so happy right now. I can go back home. Thank you.